first focus area is professionalization of staff. We want to do away with cadre deployment because things are as bad as they are. People with no suitable qualification and competencies were deployed as cadres, and they let down our communities. We want MMs, CFOs, technical directors, and corporate services directors. That will be our first focus area. Because for a municipality to perform well, you must have a competent MM, a competent CFO, a competent technical director to ensure that every infrastructure that is built is complying with standard. That is the first thing. Second thing, we are talking to political parties. Deploy mayors, speakers, EXCO members, and MPEC chair members that have competencies.
That have a clue. But we want them even to go beyond a clue, Dr. Lewis, because a clue is a little bit challenged. At least a person must be competent.
True.
Must be able to read and interpret the annual financial statement before they go. Must be able to understand the audit outcome. Must be able to see the report section, all the financial reports that come to council. And if you are not competent, you can't hold an MM accountable. But if you are competent, you can hold the MM accountable, and the MM will hold the staff reporting to him accountable. If it is a field of competent people, you will see the good results. But if it is a field of incompetent people, definitely people will suffer.